I still on Kubernetes installation. Well, last time I did an installation on local self-hosted Kubernetes, and when I was going to integrate the new configuration to the current kube config, that's maybe something like this. This is for kin. I did have some trouble copying blob from here and there. And then I wrote these scripts. The scenario is something like I did the scp from remote host the config of kubeconfig into this file, this local file, and then by the mean of these scripts kubeconfig, this extract show the data inside this new config. I can check if there are conflicts. There are no conflicts because cluster name and username are different. So I can go on and insert the URL of remote host. In this case, and then I can run this script that is something that's extract really the data part from the blob, from the config, and create files for certificate. Let's see. So these files can be referred inside the kubeconfig. The kubeconfig is already updated by extract, but there is a problem with the kubectl command, so I really need one edit for this, and this file name and then now I can do get nose config set use context this context with a space focus, and then I can do get nodes, and that's all or everything. In the meantime, I installed something. The problem for the kube command is something I cannot really change, because if I just give the name, it adds the path. So nothing else. I'm going to share this on an article. Maybe it's more easy to follow, and see you the next time.